Shopping at Home Depot.
Do you think it's too tall?
No.
It's November, not January.
Actually have a box. Now I have all this space. It's like, what are you doing? I'm going with you. You can't leave us. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Joy from AYJ Adventures. Over the next few weeks, I will be posting videos all about the renovation of this rig right here. Modifications I've done, changes I've made to make this my home. Make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I do post a video. So let's dive right in. When I walked into the RV, I knew the first thing that I wanted to do was paint the walls. It needed done. Turns out LA summer doesn't want to start until I guess September because it's 94 degrees at 10 a.m. and I'm about to go over to Burbank to paint my RV. I gotta stop by Walmart and get a few other things, and then it is off to start the painting process. I'm already hot. It's gonna be a fun day. Because the wallpaper is actually bonded to the wall, I knew it couldn't come off. It wasn't something that you can remove. So what I had to do was first I cleaned the walls and then I went through and I sanded them to give them a texture. So that way the gripper paint that I bought would stick to it. Taping everything took about 3 days.
I've been running from 9 to 5, been biting my tongue for all this time. Won't let anyone cut me short.
Paint job's done. I'm going to go home now and crash. But I finally got all the walls painted. They are currently kind of drying. I did take the tape off because of the heat. It's been kind of forcing the tape to stick a lot harder. With the bathroom, I actually put a primer coat on, and as I was looking at it, I changed my mind and decided to go with a wallpaper. I will include links below to all the tools that I bought to do the remodeling. What you doing there, Charlie?
You like the couch? Is it comfortable?
He's definitely digging, looking through that. That whole area right now is a mess. Once I get the cushions in, it'll look a little more like a home instead of a construction site. These blinds that they actually install, they suck. So I gotta find something else, another option. Finally fully out of the apartment. I'm learning how to sleep on this jackknife sofa. Not that comfortable. Ordered a 2-inch memory foam topper. See if that helps. I haven't really shot a lot of stuff because I've just been so exhausted, and it's mostly boring organizational stuff, like trying to figure out how are the dishes gonna fit, where's all my stuff gonna go. Managing your organization and your storage, it's kind of hard, especially when you're downsizing as much as I am. If I had advice for anybody that's thinking about doing this, start early. I thought I started early and I didn't. I really wish I would have started a lot sooner. You have a lot more crap than you realize. I have a lot more crap than I realized. So if you own your house, you do have more space to kind of organize things. I had a small 1-bedroom apartment in LA, and that's no yard, no garage, no storage. It is a mess in here. I am getting things figured out, and the pets obviously are getting quite used to it. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Next video is all about the jacked up jackknife sofa and what I did to fix it because it was uncomfortable. Until then, I'll see you next time. Hold on. All he cares about is this cat.